Hello, friends. Welcome back to Woo Techie channel. Are you looking for a nice MDM bypass tool to remove some annoying restrictions? That's true. Most iDevice users wants to bypass MDM profile and get free access to their iPhone, iPad or other iOS devices. To protect your device data from being invaded, you need a great and secure MDM bypass tool. Good news! This video brings you top 2 useful MDM bypass tools. The first one, Woo Techie iDelock, bypass MDM without losing data. iDelock is a multifunctional iOS unlocker. This tool can bypass various iOS device locks, including MDM, Apple ID, screen passcode, screen time passcode and so on. Moreover, iDelock guarantees to protect your device data with 100% security. Here are 4 simple steps to bypass MDM with iDelock. First, download and install iDelock tool on your computer. Open it and choose Bypass MDM option. Then connect your device to the PC via a USB cable. There are 2 options on the screen. If you are locked out of MDM screen now, choose Bypass MDM mode. Then click Start to bypass to move on. iDelock will bypass the MDM in a few minutes. If your device is supervised by other organization, then choose Remove MDM mode. Then click Start to proceed. iDelock will start removing the MDM from your device instantly. Well, that's this smart iDelock tool, bypass and remove the MDM from your device with ease and high success rate. The second one, 3U tools. To skip MDM setup, just download 3U tools and open it on your computer. Connect your device to the PC. Click the Toolbox tab at the top bar, then choose Skip Setup from the lists below. Now a window will pop up, choose the options and click the Start Setup to move on. Once the MDM has been bypassed, you'll see another success message confirming the setup assistant has been done successfully. Well, as you can see, using Woo Techie iDelock should be the better MDM bypass tool to bypass MDM profile from your device securely and efficiently. Just click the download link from the description to have this smart tool. That would be great if you can subscribe our channel. Okay, see you next video. Goodbye.